Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox isn't responding. First, if Roblox becomes unresponsive, simply close the application entirely and then relaunch it. Often, this quick restart resolves minor glitches. If the issue persists, try restarting your computer completely. This refreshes all system processes and can clear up many common problems. Also, always ensure your Roblox application is fully updated to the latest version, as developers constantly release fixes and improvements. A poor internet connection is a frequent cause of responsiveness issues. Always check that your Wi-Fi or wired connection is stable and providing good speeds. You can quickly test your internet speed using a reliable online tool. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience, especially when gaming. Restarting your router or modem can often resolve minor network problems by simply resetting the connection. Over time, Roblox can accumulate temporary files and cache data that might cause performance problems. Clearing these files can often resolve the not responding error. You can find these in your app data folders. If clearing the cache doesn't work, a complete reinstallation is the next step. Uninstall the application fully, then download and install a fresh copy from the official Roblox website, ensuring a clean setup. Outdated graphics drivers can significantly impact game performance and cause unresponsiveness. Make sure your video card drivers are updated through your manufacturer's official website. Also, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming system resources or conflicting with Roblox. If you have tried all these steps and Roblox is still not responding, gather all the details and contact Roblox support directly. They are equipped to provide specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.